हेलो वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आज हम कर रहे हैं पॉटलक। उसके लिए आई एम गोइंग टू बी मेकिंग two things, actually three things, two sandwiches and one dessert. And the theme, or everybody around us is following a healthy diet, so I'm going to make a strawberry dessert. So I have to make sure I have a lot of strawberries. And then I'm making grilled chicken sandwich along with cucumber sandwich. For the dressing, I'm gonna make Greek yogurt. So let's start with the strawberry first. Since there are only 5 people, I think the amount of strawberries should be good enough. So let's wash them. Next, we will cut the strawberries into small slices or small pieces so that we can actually mash them in the box. And this is the box I'm going to take it in. And once we have chopped all the berries, add them in a box or any container as you like. Since I do not want to add any sugar, so I'm just gonna add artificial one, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna go with Splenda. Let's see. Now I'm going to use a fork to mash the strawberries. I've kept the strawberries in the fridge, so I'm going to start working on the sandwiches. I got the rotisserie chicken from Costco, so I'm going to start working on this one along with cucumbers and also the Greek yogurt dressing. So I'm going to take this out first and then start on the dressing. Once you have taken out the chicken, you have to go ahead and chop it in small pieces. I'm taking a non-fat yogurt. You can take any that you like. Paprika, adding black pepper, bay leaf, salt. Give it a quick whisk. Once this is ready, keep it aside. Next step, bread. The food is all ready. Now we're gonna go to our friend's place. So let's go.
Meet the guy who's hosting us today.
Thank you so much for coming. I'm so happy कि तुम लोग आए हो.
लोग कैमरे के लिए कुछ भी करते हैं.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Oh my God, इतना सफाई. यहाँ पे 620 और यहाँ पे 20. कैसा लगता है आपको हार के?
यार, I am a good host, so I thought कि मैं नेहा को जीतने दूँ because.
Really think आपने उसको जिताया है कि आप खुद हारे हैं?
In my humble opinion.
Yeah.
There was corruption in this game.
अच्छा.
कि सेठी ने ऐसे पत्ते सेट करे थे कि मुझसे सेठी जीत जाए.
Life is busy, but I would recommend to take some time and spend it with your friends and family, because you may get all the money in this world, but the time spent with them is more than any money. So hope you like this video, and I will see you in next one. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.